Welcome back, guys, Crypto Fallout channel. Let's take a look the JTO USDT trading pair with my custom set. What's going on with this token now? We're still in play with indentation accumulation pump model, how to work with this model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. And now we are trying to come back inside the best zone to buy. Invalidation of this idea, if the token will drop on the listing price, it's the lowest point on the buy beat, 3 cents. You remember that crazy weak candle on Bybit from $32 to basically 40 cents. It's mind-blowing, but I don't think so anyone fixed the profit, or open short position, because it was just a spike. There's a lot of type of weeks, on the previous tokens, in the previous cycles even, so it's the exchanges the same, like they list randomly. The same, they push the price, but after that there is empty orders, empty order book, and just a week on the chart, but there was no real short points or so. All right, locally on the daily time frame, guys, for JTO, and I would like to explain why it's interesting, to track the JTO now. Locally, yes, we can form something like double bottom. Everything about the market today depends on the pump's decision rate. I guess they will pause and not cut the rates. So we will see how it goes in spring. But I hope, because we already sweep the liquidity pool of Donald Trump dump, basically 2 times, 1, 2, 3. So we formed the 3 rise pattern. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course, guys. Just hypothetical questions. Can we drop? Can we pump? We can do anything, on the market. It's all about your personal plan. So if you got a plan to accumulate the JTO for a long run, is 35.53. It's a great zone to buy. But keep in mind, we can drop even to 3 cents. Yes, it's a crypto. It's a high risky market, and you build a plan. So if we trade now, I do this. If we drop to 3 cents, I do this. So it's all about a plan. So if your plan now to buy at 40 cents, it will be not a mistake at 80 cents, fix and withdraw initial deposit. Usually, yes, we come back and close the 50% of this order flow. So at least 92 cents, test of first zone of interest looks logical. 92.66, $1.20. Also, the important moment, guys, and it's really interesting moment. I made a playlist when I asked it 7 or 6 different AI with the same prompt, create the portfolio tokens for the bull run for this year, right? And you'll be impressed. So millions tokens, right, exist. And you'll be impressed, but the DeepSeek include the JTO. The best performer now, it's a Gemini, because the Gemini include the Hyperliquid. So the Hyperliquid performed 40% in profit. So congrats everybody who tracked the Gemini. And by the way, you can follow each portfolio. And the DeepSeek now include the JTO, and JTO performed 16% on profit. So it's good one. So because for each token, the AI diversified the portfolio. So in total invested was 500 and now $81 in profit. So nice. It's interesting why the DeepSeek is only one and only the AI which include the JTO into that portfolio. So I highly recommend you go and check that playlist. It will be fun experiment by middle of this year, like I guess in June or July. I will double check the middle results of the year, that AI portfolios, and December 26th, we're gonna double check the winner, which AI will create the best gains portfolio. So locally, yes, I showed you these zones. Let's hide ends. Of course, the swing trades zone were more than okay to fix the profit is $2.79, $3.01. Done. So all targets relevant, guys. Highly recommend you go and check the JTO video what I posted around 2023. At that time, people screaming and laughing. So what are you talking about? We never dropped to 30 cents to your zone of interest. What are you talking about? People all the time trying to mock you in if you have some different vision than the crowd, right? But indentation accumulation pump model works perfectly well because I think it's just my theory. So it's the model which just by FIB, by levels, by logic, can determine more or less the bots and the soft of market makers, because everything delivered by market makers soft and their bots. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's hide these zones and double check just now with my custom maker set. Keep in mind the invalidation and potential drop. It can be even the under 3 cents. ADZ direction and the dashboard. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, guys. It's all in one place. You can track on your screen. Interesting moment on a weekly time frame. Maybe the DeepSeek knew something, but it's accumulation. It's the biggest accumulation ever for JTO. I don't know why. Of course, it's possible to form the warranty, something like this one, and drop under 3 cents. Of course, it's possible. That's why we work only with the money management and risk management. We can't know the future. But based on ADZ on a weekly time frame, it's crazy accumulation. Never seen it before. So rarely you could find on other even tokens something like this one. But it's only one indicator, ADZ, based on this algorithm inside. Direction, no signals to accumulation. Daily. This is a accumulation, divergency, and now it's neutral zone, and accumulation started from January 21. Nice one. Nice one. So you could track everything by yourself, guys. I highly recommend you use it. The set and even add alerts. Market mood, this is just a positive on the market on the daily, and total capitulation since September 25. So when you see the gray color, it's a sentiment of the crowd and the mood of retails. I guess could be some important news, but there is no important news. So markets move, yes, now in capitulation. It's usually good time and good opportunity to buy. Money power, take a look, the whales accumulated. That's a point, you know, how you can track the tokens. You could skip all this price action. Here was a sell option, money outflow, MACD bearish divergency, and just skip and wait. Just add alerts and wait. Money inflow. And only imagine you could sell in December 2024 and only start buying back in October 2025, because this is a money inflow on a weekly. This is 2 weeks money inflow, and 1, 2, 3 weeks in money inflow was in the end of November, beginning of December. Now, nothing. Can we drop lower? Yes, to once get to the bottom and to new money inflow. Week daily. Here's a money outflow. You could use it even intraday. This is money outflow, drop, money in. 2 days, January 20 and 19, it was a money in. Of course, guys, you have to understand the whales never chase to buy the deep exact bottom. You know, they accumulate in average. You know, after that, the 100% pump, they would drop initial deposit usually, and ride with the free tokens. It's the best strategy what you can use totally for free, guys. Don't be so greedy. 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit, zero risk, right? We crash to zero, you lose nothing. We pump to the moon, you make extra money from the air. Amazing, just an amazing. Trade on, yes, signals to buy. So it's of course a daily. It's for intraday scalps. Weekly, wow, buy. Nice one. So let's add alerts to sell on trade on a weekly. No, let's first take profit. Take profit now from the buy. It's going to be the interesting to track. And after take profit, usually we see the signals to sell step by step. So just highly recommend you just add alerts on your time frame and track it. The last indicator, guys, not a last one. Let's double check the trading sessions, but not a sessions. Let's check on a daily the opens. Here, I would like to check. Highly recommended, by the way, use this set. You could trade the sessions all in one place, you know, but it's brilliant in a fresh new indicator what I recently added, because here you can turn off all sessions and just turn on there and extend aligns yearly open, previous week high, previous week low, monthly open, weekly open, on all opens, all liquidity pools. So if we come back down again, it can be the test of weekly, even the weekly open, 30 cents. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low, just to be honest. Now we passed the monthly open and the yearly open. It's really important. That's why, for example, if it's a impulse down, so we need to break this high if we want to talk about a break of structure, for example, and it can be the drop again to the monthly open and the yearly open. So this is potential scenario, like 50 cents can be like a trigger psychological target, and the monthly yearly open it can be like support. And after that, we start build the uptrend structure if we want to talk about upside move on the 4 time frame and the 12 time frame. Of course, the main impulse was here. So guys, this is the option for the liquidity pools, and the last indicator take profit, the most important, guys. What I don't like, we didn't retest on the 12 time frame the buy line. Now it's 26 cent 24. Daily time frame, we already passed it, the buy line. So now the roller can be open to close this gap on the daily time frame and the test and reject probably at a take profit line 63 cents. So let's add alert to the take profit line. I will see that notification. I highly recommend you do the same. Exit line is 72 cents 08 on a daily. Weekly time frame, we so underrated. Maybe the DeepSeek really analyzed the all tokens and the chose not randomly the JTO. I don't know. We so underrated because fundamental value of this token is $1.02. Take profit line $2.69. And it's kind of interesting because it's exactly around this fixation zone swing trades. Kind of is monthly time frame. We still don't have a data. Take a look how on a monthly time frame we respect the levels. Nice one, guys. So track everything by yourself, add alerts, and just not waste the time in front of monitor all day. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about a JTO. Highly recommend you find the post. It's a free Telegram channel. Find the post about AI experiment, and there you can find the all portfolio links so you can track and follow. You know, so in total, by the way, so if we count all portfolios, now we're down 5%. Right, nice one. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about JTO. And if you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, and add the same alerts like I did, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.